might be a case where you want to align a part on the actual values of a bolt hole pattern. We're going to be using the cloud to CAD alignment function, and this video explains that technique. We will first start by creating a basic alignment. Then when we bring in the CAD model, we will then create the cloud to CAD alignment. After creating the basic alignment, bring in the CAD model. Be sure and add a sync CAD step to the program. We have created the origin in the center of a bolt hole circle of this part. Now that the alignment has been established and the part and the CAD model have been synced, I want you to measure each hole in the bolt pattern. Now we're going to create clouds from the raw data of these measured circles. One of the things in CMM Manager is if we go to construct a circle, we only allowed 3 circles and we have measured actually 6, but we'd only be able to use 3 to construct a bolt hole circle, which won't be sufficient enough for our alignment. So we're going to create point clouds, and then we're going to use these clouds to align the part. To do this, let's click on this tick mark. Click on Extract Raw Data. Now drag the first circle into the feature name, and this cloud will be called Cloud 1. Click on Apply Probe Compensation and click OK. Now repeat this step for each of the circles in the bolt hole pattern. When all the raw data has been extracted for each circle, your program will look like this. Now click on the Alignment tab and select the Cloud to CAD icon. When the Cloud to CAD Alignment dialog box opens, drag the clouds into the Point Cloud list. Now we need to add the surfaces that make up these diameters, and this is very important. You're going to pick the surfaces that make up the circles. Select the Pick from Graphics button. When all the surfaces for all the circles have been picked, they will appear in the CAD surface list. Now let's look at the alignment. In our alignment, we want CMM Manager to rotate this bolt hole pattern around Z till it best fits the optimum location for the alignment. We don't want it to move in X and Y. So at this point, this is where we click on the lock screen and we check X, Y, and Z for 0 translation in X, Y, and Z, and no rotation about X or Y. The next screen will be the Cloud to CAD Best Fit results. And if you're satisfied with these results, click Confirm. Now what you're looking for is an acceptable RMS deviation, and this will be the deviation that was created when calculating these points. If this falls within an acceptable range, again click Confirm or click Recalculate to see if you can get a better value. That's it. The part is now aligned on the actual position of the bolt hole circles.